We are at a farm, one with 12 acres on a dead-end road. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. The house in 1966 had a whole second floor added. Since then, they put a standing seam roof, vinyl siding, new vinyl windows, paved the driveway. They added a little guest camp. And there's the barn, the original one. They put metal roof, metal siding. The house has a standing seam roof too. This is a great little property if you're looking for a little farmette on a dead-end road in a small rural community. The kitchen was updated not many years ago. It's from Canada, from Avondale Kitchens, that designed them to fit the room. Before you get to the kitchen, there's a utility mudroom. These are really convenient so everything doesn't get dumped into your kitchen. The freezer, your coats, your boots. It's handicap friendly too. Everything starts here before you go into the home. The appliances stay. There's a laundry on the first floor. The kitchen had a vinyl floor. The living room, a laminate. There's a pellet stove. The main heating source is an oil hot air thermopride, but the pellet stove really helps out. There's also a wood stove in the basement. You have 3 bedrooms upstairs, but this is an awful handy first floor bedroom. It has a laundry on the end and a half bath on the other end. It also has a doorway behind me from that entry mudroom. Here's your half bath. This is so smart. You've been in motels where the toilet's in one area, the vanity's out in the other. Everybody can be doing their business, brushing their teeth or doing some paperwork. Let's crank upstairs and see what we're missing. The owners have a lot of hobbies. One of them is sewing. I wouldn't look so hot in one of these aprons, but they're pretty clever if you're looking for a gift for someone that has everything. It's a bedroom with a closet, but they use it for one of their lifestyle pursuits. Needlepoint. Sewing. Here's bedroom number 2. It's just the 2 of them, 2 cats living here, so this becomes a utility area too, for movies, for lots of storage. This is where they iron clothes, but it's a legitimate bedroom number 2 on the second floor. At the head of the stairs, this is bedroom number 3. 3 windows, 1 big side-to-side closet. The upstairs has rug flooring. These are all the tilt-in vinyl windows. Did I mention the 1880s barn that's been well maintained? You get that in 12 acres of land. Here's the upstairs full bath. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. Please like this channel, subscribe to it, and make comments about what you like or don't like. We'll find you the right property if this isn't the one.